I had the opportunity to intern at the New Horizons Special School, which is a school specifically designed for students that are on the spectrum, that have autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and I feel like it's allowed me to sort of see the educational sector from a different perspective, especially as somebody who's studying special education.
At the start of NYU Accra, I started interning at the Concerned Health nonprofit organization, and then later on I joined another internship at Basics International, which is another non-profit organization, and I'm working with kids after school.
The hands-on experience has been really helpful to me because as someone that wants to go into global education, it wouldn't make sense if I never stepped foot into a classroom outside of the US.
The process of securing the internship was actually very easy. All I had to do was talk to the advisor for internships, a Gifty. I had to submit a resume, give a little bit of a gist about myself and my interests, and because I'm interested in health, she linked me with the Concerned Health internship, and I thought it was a good fit for me because it gave me experience in the field I wanted, so Gifty really helped me with that.
With NYU Accra, they've allowed us to have a variety of different internships to look at. I remember when I first got here, Gifty was very helpful with providing me with different resources as to the types of schools I can look into interning, and I knew that with the New Horizons School, she allowed for me to go first to have a tour, get a sense of the school, and see if it was the right fit for me.
When it comes to everything community engagement, the portfolio, I come in here. So we have public events like dialogues where we bring in people, whether artists, writers, we have a stage for them, we engage them in conversation. On the student front, I coordinate their internships for them, and then community service or volunteering opportunities.
NYU Accra is very understanding, and Miss Gifty from the start, she will ask everyone for their schedules and try to work around it. For me, like YFM, I was able to have a connection with the boss, and he said if I ever come back to Ghana, like December is like when a lot of people come back from abroad, and he said I even could work with their media team and take photos and things like that. So those are like big opportunities that you get from like working with the internship.
Doing this sort of, should I say, beefs up their resume and their CVs. So some of them are able to secure scholarships to further their studies, to even do further research, and even in terms of job opportunities. These things is what makes me feel fulfilled and rewarded that in some ways I was able to, help a student navigate this or add up to something.